This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce with some key information the name of this cru in the Burgundy wine region of France, more specifically in the Côte de Beaune area, just between the city or the town of Beaune and the town or the village of Pommard. We are looking at how to pronounce Volnay. Volnay. Now, Volnay wines are exclusively made from Pinot Noir grape variety, so they are exclusively red wines. There are no Grand Cru vineyards in Volnay, but half of the vineyard area is covered in Premier Cru. So how do you go about pronouncing Volnay with the typical French pronunciation? Do not say Volnay. The Y at the end is misleading. There is no I or E sound at the end of it. Rather say Volnay, Volnay. With the typical French pronunciation, Volnay. Volnay Premier Cru. Un vin de Volnay, a wine from Volnay. Volnay. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye-bye.